This is not just the story of a samurai. This is the story of a man who conquered distraction, ego, fear. While the world chased comfort, he chose discipline. His name was Miyamoto Musashi. Musashi was born into violence. His father taught him the sword before he taught him peace. At 13, he fought his first duel and defeated a grown warrior. Childhood ended early. The battlefield became his classroom. While others sought approval, Musashi walked alone. No comfort, no luxury, no distractions. He believed, if you want to master something, you must stand alone. Today, this is you, working while others scroll, training while others sleep, being misunderstood before becoming unstoppable. Musashi challenged the best schools in Japan, one man against many. Over 60 duels, not one defeat. He didn't rely on strength, he relied on discipline, timing, and mindset. Because true power is calm under pressure. His greatest enemy? Sasaki Kojiro. Faster, famous, feared. Musashi arrived late, by strategy. He carved a sword from an oar and won using psychology, not ego. The disciplined mind controls emotion and wins. Musashi never chased fame, never chased money, never chased validation. Instead, he wrote the Book of 5 Rings, a guide not just for warriors, but for life. His message was simple: master yourself, and nothing can defeat you. You don't need a sword to be a warrior today. Your battlefield is your daily routine. Your enemy is comfort. Your weapon is consistency. Walk alone if you must. Train in silence. Let results speak. That is the way of Musashi.